On November 6, voters will be asked to make 3 decisions about building improved facilities to provide new opportunities for students and our community. The SPS bond includes replacement dollars for Glover, Shaw, and Sacajawea middle schools, which were built in the late 1950s. Each of those schools is showing the wear on the walls, floors, and classrooms from 6 decades of students.
Our biggest difficulty is with just managing the temperature. So we don't have air conditioning in here. Even on the cold days, the boilers are failing. We had classrooms last week that were down as low as 50 degrees. So we had a maintenance crew out here working on 3 different days just to get the temperature up.
Nearly $58 million in state matching dollars would be used with bond money to complete the necessary replacements and addition of modern heating, cooling, security, and technology improvements. The new middle schools will be built on the site in the field areas adjacent to the school. Students would continue to attend school in the existing buildings while construction is completed. The current facilities would be demolished once students transition to the new school. Timing of construction has to be carefully coordinated to accommodate the movement of 6th graders to the new middle schools when they are complete. The schools in the Northeast would be built first, followed by the schools in the Northwest, and then the schools in the South to make sure of an orderly movement of 6th graders into the middle schools. Construction is expected to happen over about 5 years. Please contact Community Relations at 354-7340 with additional questions or to request a presentation for your group. Remember to vote by November 6th.